Hello everyone, thank you once again for visiting this channel and page, okay, to watch uneducated videos under physics and mathematics subjects. All right, now the question on board is still one of those questions I have been treating. This one is more technical than others. This one involves quadrilateral, which finally resulted in a triangular question. Pay attention as I still solve, okay? Now, the question on board says, in quadrilateral PQRS, PQ equals 43 cm, then QR equals 34 cm, then RS equals to 38 cm. Now, angle PQR is equals to 95 degrees and angle QRS is equals to 115 degrees. Find the length of the diagonals. First of all, we have to draw this shape to know what to do next. Now, let's draw it. Now, let's say that PQ equals to 43. Q equals to 43 cm. Then QR is 33, but angle PQR is 95 degrees. So 95 degrees here is 95 degrees, all right, is 34 cm. Then RS is what? 38. And the angle Q, here is R, right? Angle QRS is 115. So it will be wider than this, okay? Wider, so that here is 115 degrees, okay? Now, you now close it right now. Now close it. Here is 38 cm due to space. That's why I cannot draw it well, okay? Should have extended this line to be more than this one. Now, the question says, now we have finished drawing the shape. The question is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now the question says we should find the diagonals. This shape has 2 diagonals. Okay. Now the question says we should find the diagonals. Find the diagonals. Okay. Now the diagonals are 2. Okay. From here, R to T is one of the diagonals, and it has formed a triangle. So let's name it A. Then another one is from here to here. It has formed another triangle, okay, which you may name the line X or whatever. Now the question says we should find the diagonals. We find this length and also this length. So now if we first of all find this one, now we'll now consider this triangle, this line and this line and this line, which the side is already given. Here 43 and here 34. So we use here and here with the angle, included angle, which is 95, to solve for A. Then coming to this one, if we want to solve this diagonal now, okay, we will consider here, which is the 34 cm, and also consider here, which the value is 38. Which the value is 38, okay, and the angle, included angle, is given to be 115 degrees, okay. So we will now solve for x. So solving for this line now, make use of 34 and 38 with the angle 115 using cosine rule. Then if we want to find this one now, we'll use here 43 and here 34 and find for A with the angle 95 degrees using cosine rules too. All right. Okay. Using the cosine rule to solve this one, we now have A square equals to this side square, okay, plus this side 34 square minus 2 times this side 43 times 34 cos of the angle given, which is 95. Okay, now have A square equals to 43 squared is what? 1849 plus 34 squared is what? 1156 minus 2 times 43 times 34 is what? 2924 cos 95 is what? Minus 0.087. okay, now A square equals to this plus this will give us 3005 minus times minus is plus, then 2924 times 0.085 will be what? 254.4. okay, now when we add all of them, what do we have? 3259.4. okay, now making a subject of formula, we find square root of both sides, which now finding square root of both sides, that find square root of both sides, making a subject of formula, find square root of both sides, so that this square root has the power to cancel 2 on top, remaining only 2, remaining only a, which will now give us square root 3259.4. and when we find the final answer, what will it be? 57.1 cm. So one of these diagonal is 57.1 cm. So now please just use the same method, okay, and find the second diagonal and put the answer in my comment section. Okay, thank you so much. As you continue to learn, as you continue to watch, but please make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow on my Facebook and others. Okay,